CZ Binance have succeeded in wrecking me. I'm totally wrecked at this point. We're going to be talking about the XCN price update real quick alongside the ZBCN price update, ZEBEC network and ONYXCOIN price update. We are going to be taking a quick look at BTC price update and also the orders chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect for ZBCN and for XCN in the long run. BTC just continued the massive dump we talked about yesterday. I told you guys I was expecting the continuation of the dump. My target is actually at $73,000. Anything below $73,000 is going to be devastating for both XCN and also ZBCN. Now let's talk about ZBCN real quick. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button if you haven't already. ZBCN just broke below the point of interest territory. I was expecting a bounce from here, but due to the massive correction BTC is currently at as a result of the fear being like artificially manufactured in the market, ZBCN is currently trading around 0.0022, and yeah, so we just successfully invalidated the potential reversal to the upside. So I think it will be safe to take this out right now, because since this setup has already been invalidated, now if you're heading to the 1 week time frame, this 1 week time frame for ZBCN is my worst case scenario. My worst case scenario would be ZBCN briefly tapping into 0.0020, and also the stop loss is around 0.00144. So anything below that 0.00144 is going to be my worst case scenario, and I'll be totally out of the market, like seriously. Although we might still tap into this zone because we have an obvious fair value gap between 0.0011 and also 0.00144 zone, which is the stop loss territory zone. But anything, the moment that stop loss is getting hit, my sell limit order is going to get triggered as well, and I'll be out of the market. So Binance have succeeded in totally wrecking the market. So this is the potential entry point for ZBCN on the higher time frame, 1 week time frame to be precise, for whomever still have liquidity. If you still have liquidity and you still want to like bag more, if you still want to DCA, I think the price zone between 0.0020 and also 0.00150 should be a good entry. That is, if the manipulation that is currently going on is over, then you are likely to get a juicy return on your investment. Now, coming back to XCN has broken below the potential point of interest we talked about in our previous video as well, which was between 0.0069 and also 0.0060 zone. XCN like broke below, destroyed that point of interest without even looking back as a result of the entire cryptocurrency market correction. CZ Binance have succeeded in wrecking me and a lot of other cryptocurrency investors. And yesterday they promised they were going to buy $1 billion worth of BTC. Coming to today, being Saturday 2026, they ended up doing something entirely different. They ended up doing the opposite, selling more than $1 billion worth of BTC, thereby causing a lot of panic selling that has affected the likes of ZBCN and also the likes of XCN coin. This setup has now been invalidated. For this setup to be valid again, we need to see XCN come back into this territory, flip that territory into a support before we can start welcoming more price move to the upside. But for now, I think that is out of the picture for now until the market settles. If you're heading to the weekly time frame for XCN coin, ONYXCOIN on the weekly time frame, you would notice I showed you guys this potential buy setup few weeks ago, and it is still valid. So this would be my worst case scenario for ONYXCOIN for XCN. Should the correction continues and break below this current low, then we should begin to expect this point of interest to get tapped. The point of interest is between 0.0030 and also 0.0016 to be precise. Then the stop loss is around 0.00138 zone. So this would be my worst case scenario. Anything below this territory, then it is game over for me on XCN coin. And yeah, so that's that for that. This is BTC. I'm still expecting the 73k to get hit, like I told you guys yesterday. The 73k zone, lose the 73k zone, then it is game over for the entire market as well. Then it will be that we all should wait for Q4 or probably 2027. Now, orders chart is still looking strong. We talked about this orders chart yesterday, and we are still holding up well. The moment we are losing this multi-year support territory, which has held as support since 2017, it is going to be game over for both ZBCN and also for both XCN coin. That is just it. It's not a rocket science. Like I said in my previous videos, like I've said countless times, I'm still expecting the 2019 playbook to happen, to repeat itself for this 2026. But I think at the end of the day, it's going to be dependent on how the orders chart against the BTC pair hold above this support territory. As long as we continue to hold above this support territory, then there is no cause for alarm at all. There is no need to panic sell. But the moment we lose this support territory, then it is game over for both XCN and ZBCN coin, and not just XCN and ZBCN, for the entire cryptocurrency market as well. So if you're paying attention, ONYXCOIN is down minus 12.6% in the last 24 hours. Market cap slightly below 200 million. ZBCN is down minus 11.1% in the last 24 hours. Market cap currently seated at $222 million. So the market isn't looking good at the moment. You all should hold your bag if you want to, and sell if you want to as well. As always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Peace out.